In this video, I'll show you how to swap out the main image in your ad for some A/B testing. Let's go. So we're going to open up a new document. For square, we'll have it be 1080 by 1080. Keep the screen 72 ppi. We will import a background. So I go to File, Place, find the folder you want to import from. All of these backgrounds are available to download for free. Link below in the description. So I'm going to choose this one. I want the pink on this to be at the top. Right now, the orange would be in the top. So I'm going to do Object, Transform, Reflect, Horizontal. And that will just flip everything to the top. So I got the pink at the top now. Drag that into the artboard. And I'm going to lock that so I don't accidentally pull it around. And I'm going to place an image in here. Now, this could be your product photo, your lifestyle photo, whatever kind of image you want to show for this ad. I'm going to create a clipping mask around this. You could leave it, if you have a cropped out photo, you could leave it how it is. Since this is a rectangle, it looks kind of odd. I'm going to use the curvature tool and create this oblong circle kind of thing around it. Just generally put it where I want. I can adjust all this later. And with them both selected, right click and click on Create Clipping Mask. So now, if you only click on the image, you could drag it around and reposition it exactly how you need it. You could resize it, whatever you got to do. But only the image has to be selected in order to do this. So I'm going to find the right spot here. And now we will create some text. So I'm going to go ahead and create my headline for this one. Let's just write Sarah's Yoga Studio. Sure, that sounds good. I don't like black on there, so let's put white. It's good contrast with that pink in the background. And let's bump this up to 100 looks good. And now we'll duplicate this, and this will be our subheading. So write in whatever you need to. If you don't need a subheading, you don't need a subheading. Just for example purposes here. So we're using the golden ratio to divide 100 by 1.618 for the perfect subheading. It eliminates all the guesswork. It's beautiful. So now we're going to create a call to action button. I know they won't be able to click on this, but it's a good button that separates the text out from everything else in this image, and it'll just stick out to tell everyone what you want, what action you want them to take. So if I center that and click on both of those and then go to my line center, they'll be perfectly in center. Now I just got to drag this to wherever I want it vertically. This could be join now, read caption, start today. Let's do that. And now I just want to group those together. So every time I click on them and drag them around, I don't have to click on both. Let's put that where it should be. Adjust this a little bit. That looks pretty good. Nice. Now, let's create another ad. Like, let's say you're A/B testing ads and you want to test out the image. So click on just the image, go to your links and click on that little link icon, and you could swap out just that image. So again, we'll drag this over, adjust this however it needs to be. The oblong photo or circle that this is in doesn't really work for this, so we could adjust this. Now let's go back, click on those points that we made with the curvature tool, and we could adjust that so everything is in there exactly how we want it to be. There we go. And now I'm just going to adjust everything else just so it looks visually appealing, makes sense. And there's a good example, quick and dirty square ad for Instagram or Facebook. You can export it, make sure analyzing is on art optimize, keep the quality at 10, and there you go. Follow me for more.